Is it impossible to measure all the plants and slow-moving critters at your study site? Are you tired of counting organisms without a standardized area or method? There's got to be a better way. Introducing the Quadrat. With this useful and inexpensive tool, you can estimate the coverage and relative abundance of organisms in these easy steps. First, dramatically throw your Quadrat in slow motion to impress your peers, making sure the general landing spot is representative of the surrounding habitat. Next, identify and record all living vascular macrophyte species or slow-moving organisms in the Quadrat, using D to indicate dominance of one species. For unknown species, give a unique ID code using your Quadrat location. Count and record total individuals and percent cover estimates for each species and each Quadrat. Finally, perform the necessary calculations for cover, density, frequency, and importance value. A few final notes about this product. Use an appropriately sized Quadrat for the community you're measuring. Make sure to randomly throw the Quadrat to avoid bias. And finally, use caution when quadrating around dangerous organisms. And there you have it, folks. The Quadrat, an effective and inexpensive way to measure counts and density in both terrestrial and marine environments. I hope you'll enjoy this product. I sure have.